Welcome to my channel. Listen to the sounds. The birds are singing. And they have 4 blackbirds over there. I don't know if they are crows or ravens. It's hard to see because they almost blend into the tree. There are 4 of them up there. See that one right there, and there's another one there. There's also another one right there. It's so hard to see, but it's there. See it right there. I like sounds of nature. You can see it's winter. Some snow and ice on the street. But these 4 birds are just sitting there, not making any sounds, just chilling. I'm gonna walk and see if they'll take off. Maybe they are not bothered by my presence. Leave a comment, let me know, do you like birds? There's 2 right there. There's another one there. There's another one there. So 4 of them. Interestingly, they are not bothered by my presence. Just chilling. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Smash that button, subscribe, support the work. Let me know if you like birds. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.